Please subscribe the channel for more videos.
Welcome to Learn English. Let's learn the use of I, me, my, and mine with some examples. Okay, let us take one example. I'm David. One more. I love my mother. So here, I is used as a subject. So I am David. I love my mother. With the next example, you will understand how me is used. So look at this. She loves me. So here, and she wants me to be a doctor. Here, me is used as an object. Okay, both I and me carries the same meaning, but when it comes to the usage, it differs. It entirely depends upon the main verb used in the sentence. Like here, I am David. Here, am is the verb. I love my mother. Here, love is the verb. Verb means an action word. Okay, you know the definition. She loves me. Here, the verb is loves. In the sentence, she wants me to be a doctor. Wants is a verb. So, we use I when we use it in the subject form, that is before verb, and after the verb we use me. Okay, I hope it's clear. So both my and mine carries the same meaning, but the usage differs. Like this is my book, this is my bicycle. Here my is used with a noun. So look at this example now. This book is mine and this bicycle is mine. Here we are using without a noun. The mine, the word mine is used without a noun. Then we use it like this. I hope it is clear. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.